Now, I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but it is December 1st, guys. So, it's Christmas time. You guys already know I love Christmas time. So, we're going to be vlogging every single, or not every single day, but as many days as possible. And with that being said, welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content come out of Hawaii. But today we are gonna go ahead and make a little video. Now, originally I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but we actually have all the landscapers out in the neighborhood, and I just hear all of like the lawnmowers and the weed whackers going off, and I just uploaded today's video. So today's December 1st, and you guys already know that it is officially holiday season, and I hope that you guys follow along in all the vlogs I'm making. I'm gonna try and film almost every day, or at least maybe 3 times a week, but I'm gonna do my best to get all the videos out as much as possible. And of course, if you guys want to just have fun for this month of December, it's mostly just gonna be daily vlogs, just day in the life of me and the GTR and the 370Z. So with that being said, don't mind my phone literally sitting in the middle of the garage because I put it on the car and I forgot it ceramic coated, so it literally just fell off. But the question, of course, is gonna be, which car are we gonna take today? Okay, baby pulls. Or not. Oh, Jesus. Oh, goddamn. This car, man, I swear, the fact that a GTR is such drive and go, and if you have it properly tuned with the right supporting mods, it's such a fun car. It makes all the sounds, and get a GTR. I'm just saying. For all of you guys that want a GTR R35, try to get one soon, because the prices are really going up. Now, I mentioned prices about GTR R35s maybe about a month ago, saying that maybe it might go down, but lately the trend has been a lot of the R35 guys have been unloading their cars because of the fact that the value is going up so much. But for those of you guys that are not paper handing your GTR R35s, you guys are super cool. For those of you guys that sell your cars for a profit, I respect it, because it's all about supply and demand. And maybe, you know, you guys are gonna make a profit now, and then hopefully in the next few years, as like the economy and everything or whatever gets back to normal-ish, then maybe prices are gonna go back down. So, I don't know, make a profit and then wait a little bit. You have money for mods and for a GTR. That's a pretty good deal to me. And on that note, for selling the GTR, guys, for example, right, my car is a 09. It's very low miles, so I consider it low miles. It's about 27.5, and if you were to find a 09 CBA GTR right now, you're looking at maybe 60-65,000. That's just like light mods, or if not even bone stock. If we reverse back to 2018 when I bought the GTR, it was I only bought the car for 53,000, and like I could honestly made a profit on the car had I not cut it up. If I just sold it with like some of the aero or the carbon parts and all the full bolt-on, I'm pretty sure I could hit maybe 65-70 and could have sold it for a profit. But of course I don't want to do that, because this is my dream car, and it's, I don't know, just all the GTRs is going up in price. Even Skyline R32s are going up to probably like 40s now for the right, you know, for the right condition, for the right mileage. But it's all about, my thesis is that the cost of the GTRs is all going up, other than the fact that the used car market is going crazy. I just really think that because of the 25-year rule is slowly coming to an end, I just think the demand is going to be a lot more higher, which is why it's driving the prices up so much. Is it ever going to level out? I really don't know. I wish I could tell. I wish I bought an actual Skyline back in the day, but I just couldn't pass up the deal for the R35. So here's a problem that I've always been fighting with this car, especially when it's at 60+ miles an hour, is the fact that the wheels always shake. Now, I've done the alignment, I've done everything, but the one thing that I forgot to do, or that I just I totally forgot about is that maybe I just might need some hub-centric rings to put in the wheels, and hopefully that's gonna eliminate the jitter from the steering wheel. I don't know if you guys can really see it on camera because I'm trying to hold my camera still at the same time, but you can tell like the wheel is like slowly shaking or just jittering every so often. If you guys have any other suggestions, let me know. All right, I know it's windy and this is a very undisclosed location, but we just had to stop and park the car here because I wanted to do a couple TikToks. But man, this car in that silver, guys, oh my gosh. And it's been a couple months since we finished the car, and obviously it's super hella dirty, but just seeing this, man, you can see the blue, you can see the silver, that magenta-ish undertone. I just absolutely love this freaking car, man. So I also made the biggest mistake, and shout out to Nestor again. So you guys know from the last video, I had the tires plugged, and I told Nestor that I was gonna bring him lunch. I totally forgot yesterday. So today we're gonna go and get some lunch for Nestor because I promised him. He didn't charge me for my plug because it was a little birthday gift from him to me, and I promised him that I'm gonna get him lunch, and I'm a man of my word. Just a day late on this one, but I'm sorry, Nestor, if you're watching this video. But yeah, let's go get some food. Interrupting today's daily vlog with some food stuff. Look at that big Monopool, guys. She's nice and shiny. For those of you guys that don't know what Monopool is, for all the guys that's not from Hawaii that watches my videos, it's kind of like what is that Chinese, it's like bao, but they stuff it with char siu, but you can get it either baked or steamed, and they're also, guys, making deep fried Monopoos. But for all you guys that tried Monopool, what do you guys like better, baked or steamed? I personally like baked Monopoos. I'm not a huge fan of the steam. I just like baked a little bit more than steamed. Let's see if we can get a sound of how aggressive this downshift is. Listen to this. Ooh. I wish it wasn't raining today, guys. Not even pushing it that hard, I already felt the wheels already like spinning out of control. And this car doesn't even have 1,000 horsepower. Now, truth be told, guys, at this Kia dealership over here, about a couple months ago, they had a Mustang, and I was like eyeing it out so much. I was like, damn, do I really want to get a Mustang? But it was an S550. Nothing wrong with an S550 because S550 Mustangs are super freaking dope. But I just want to stick to my S197, man. But Mustang to the channel one day, maybe. And we're back at Nestor's shop. Let's go say hi real quick. I promise I didn't forget about you.
I thought I was like, oh shit, is it leaking?
No, it's good.
Look low.
Which side? Left?
Look low.
Nah, don't even say that. Don't say that. Oh my god, bro. I thought Nestor was joking. There's another nail on the other side. What the heck? What? I drove to Kapolei again and then I came back. Oh my god.
The other way is patch it from outside.
That's ridiculous, bro. I literally just went to Kapolei and back. Unbelievable. Good thing I came back. But hell, that's so messed up, bro. This is not funny. I swear to God, guys, this is not planned. I swear to God. What the hell, bro? Look at that. Well, Christmas vlogs just got more interesting.
Too much in the corner.
That's crazy, man.
There. It's like a
What
drywall.
the hell?
It's like the same yesterday. Oh no, yours yesterday was shinier.
That's ridiculous.
Oh,
That's $600 tire right there. Look at that. For nothing. Sayang. I really think it's botchy already because I haven't gotten that done. For those of you guys from Hawaii, you guys already know. But unplanned today. But that's ridiculous. Might as well just poke it out the side already. Nah, knock on wood, knock on wood. That's not even wood, that's metal.
Where's the screw?
Look at that, man. That's freaking deep, dude. Well, see, lifesaver again in the past week. That's ridiculous, man. I'm at a loss for words right now, guys. Like, I swear to God. And of course, you guys know this is not planned at all, but just the odds of it happening. This is the third nail I caught this year, guys. 2 in this car already, 1 in the driver and 1 in the passenger, and then 1 in the daily for the first time of the year, man. Oh, Hawaii. You guys gotta keep up with the roads, man. And we're back home again. I just got back home from work. I really don't know what to say about today, guys. Like, this was not planned. I did not expect this to happen to the car. I don't know. Is it a sign that maybe I have to finally get everything straightened out for the GTR? Or is it a sign that we have to start playing with the 370Z a little bit more and put the GTR on the side? I don't know what it is, but man, that's so crazy. Literally, like, 5 days, guys. 2 nails in 5 days in the rears, especially. Not even a few hundred miles on these tires. Other than all of that, on the side note, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys know I went and drove to the North Shore yesterday to go and pick up some parts for the 370Z. In the next video, probably, I'm gonna reveal it to you guys, and then I'm gonna let you guys choose. I might put a poll on my Instagram as well, but I don't know. I just don't know what to say, honestly, guys. But she's back home at least. Now 2 tires are plugged. And that's just it. We're probably going to get about maybe a year's worth until everything starts leaking. Especially on the side that we had to patch today. Only because it's more towards like the outer edge of the tire. But, oh man, super expensive tires. And they were just destroyed by nails. But that's the game we play. Hawaii's roads aren't the best. You guys already know that. So probably in the next video, we're going to be playing around with the Z. Another thing that we do have to do is both of these cars have to be washed, guys. Ever since I came back from Vegas in the beginning of the month, I've never like washed the car at all yet. And maybe it's just all this bad luck is happening because I haven't really tended to the car. So, but with that being said, if you guys made it this far in this video, thank you so much. Make sure you guys smash the like button for today's video. Comment down below. I guess you never know what's gonna happen in all of the daily-ish type of vlogs throughout the rest of this December. But again, if you guys haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, share the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.